So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to deploy a Next.js application on hosting an hPanel. So let's get started. I have a terminal open here. Now I don't need this one, so I can delete this. Okay. So now first of all, to deploy a Next.js application you have to go to the next config file and then add one thing that is called output is export. Okay. Now after you add it, now you have to create a .htx access file, sorry, and you have to paste this code. I will provide this code in the description through our .txt file or GitHub link. You can access. This is just basic admin panel. We are going to deploy this here in this subdomain. It has a main domain, this one, and this is the main website, and I have built a admin panel for this only. This is the typing website. So let's get started. This is my hosting hPanel. I have created a subdomain and given a specific path to the directory called /admin. So I will go to the dashboard, go to the file manager, and it will redirect me to the file manager. So yeah, it is redirecting. Please wait for a while. So you can see here public HTML and /admin. So we have to upload our files here in order to deploy our Next.js application. So let's get started. We have written this in Next.js config file, and now let's type npm run build. If you have installed the Next.js commands, cmd commands installed, then you can just type next build. It will create a production build. So I'm using a .env file here, and so you don't have to worry about that. And I'm using some other libraries also, like material, tailwind, and exhaust, file saver, and yeah, many things are there. You can pause and see. Okay, so it is creating the production build. So till then, let me tell you one thing. If you are using a dynamic route, like if you are passing any params or anything like that, it is not going to work. Currently it's a bug which is addressing by the Next.js team till now in the GitHub, if you can see the issues. So it is not going to work in this production build. So yeah, it is only working, maybe it is only working in the version, not in the custom what is it called, not in the custom deployments. Okay. So if you go to the routing section and go to dynamic route, you can see here the slug you're passing like in params, so it is not going to work. And maybe our file is ready. See output. So let's go ahead to the hosting admin panel, open our file explorer, and it is going to open crpf, this one, front end. Now what I am going to do is I will just short this. Okay, I will go to the this one output directory, maybe where it is, maybe, oh sorry, admin panel, maybe, sorry, yeah, I will copy this all and just paste it here, and it is uploading right now. So I will go back, and the .ht access file we have created, we are going to deploy this. Okay, and let's deploy add this here, and maybe it is ready to deploy. Let's see, refresh the page, and it is, yeah, it is working, and your Next.js application is deployed live. It's that simple. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, please comment it out. And if you want to know how I deployed this front-end application of Sweet.js in this one, crpfhcmtyping.com, so let me know, drop your comment, I will make a separate video on that. Thanks for watching.